Welcome to this Jobcast. My name is Alex and I'm working in Human Resources. I'm here today with Dan, who is the Managing Director of Bombardier Transportation in Australia. Dan, could you tell us a little bit more about our business here in Australia?
Thanks, Alex. It's nice to spend some time with you today. Bombardier Transportation Australia is a small but growing part of the global Bombardier Transportation organisation. And in fact, we're an integrated part of the systems division within Bombardier Transportation. In Australia, we design and manufacture passenger rolling stock, things such as diesel trains, electric trains and trams. We also do a lot of fleet maintenance where we often do the maintenance associated with the vehicles that we design and build, but we also do maintenance of other people's vehicles. We have seen significant growth within the organisation over these last 4 or 5 years, where we 4 years ago had something like 250 people. Now we are in excess of 600. We have ourselves well dispersed around the country. We have our main manufacturing facilities here in Dandenong, and we have manufacturing in Queensland at Maryborough. We have our design office based in Brisbane, where there's some 50 people involved in design activities. And we have a range of maintenance activities we do around the country in Perth, in Adelaide and in Melbourne. And most recently we were successful in winning a contract on the Gold Coast, where we are working with partners, external partners, to deliver a public-private partnership project, which is a brand new rapid transit system based on our light rail vehicles. It's a very exciting project just south of Brisbane.
That sounds indeed very exciting. What about the future opportunities on the Australian market?
Well, the Australian market is very active. Australia weathered the global financial crisis quite well. And as a consequence, we are seeing also significant patronage demand in public transport systems within the capital cities in particular. So there are a number of new projects that are out in the marketplace, which we will be looking to pursue. In Queensland is looking to replace its old electric multiple unit rolling stock. In Sydney, the government have recently announced a major project called North West Rail Link, which is also a public-private partnership, which is a sort of project that Bombardier, particularly as the systems division, would look to get involved in. So whilst there are a couple of the major projects, there are also quite a number of smaller projects which would be of great interest to us.
That sounds very interesting. What makes Bombardier Transportation in Australia such an exciting place to work?
Well, I think it's exciting because it's quite diverse. We do quite a different range of activities across Bombardier's total capabilities. We have a situation where we are part of the global organisation, so we really benefit from being plugged in, if I could use that term, to the global organisation. We have access to Bombardier's global technology. But we at the same time are remote, and we are set up as a very independent organisation. We integrate our activities very well with the global organisation, but it requires and provides an opportunity for people to exercise a fair bit of innovation, independence, if you like, within in a structured way. We look very much to encourage our people to show their initiative. We work very strongly with people in terms of trust. We look to have a very common set of values and core values with the way we work. And we very much encourage people to exercise their innovation initiative, working within a structured environment to get some good results, not just for the company, but also for them as employees.
Thank you very much for this additional information, then, and thank you for your time today.
Pleasure.
If you are interested to work for Bombardier Transportation in Australia, please visit our website, our career website, or click on the link below in this Jobcast. Thank you.
Bye-bye.